Thank you so much, RB, ha. Thank you, everybody,
Thank you,
ha.
RB.
I think ito na nga. I think ito na yan. Kasi mukha daw pang supermodel. Naku, RB, pag ako hindi nagmukhang supermodel talaga.
You always look like a supermodel. Girl.
Delulu. You're delulu talaga.
I'm trululu.
You're delulu.
I am trululu.
Can you please try the Kai Bio-based Ray-Ban? What is that? What is that? Calvario? What is that?
I don't think you have that.
I'll try that too. What's this? Is this a wafer?
The very first one you tried it.
Oh, okay. Is this a wafer?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is this the one you're talking about, RB? Olivia Rodrigo sports these wafers. So I'm gonna get one para feeling Olivia Rodrigo.
Oh, these are nice. Yeah. I like
this
these.
This is the brown one,
Mega
RB.
wafers, yeah, these are mega.
Megaphone.
Yeah, because it's thicker here.
Try the Kai Bio-based na Ray-Ban. What is that?
Ito maganda to sa'yo.
Ang ganda naman ito sa hapon. Ogawa, I miss you. Okay, parang nag-lighten yung...
Yeah.
I don't know if it's just
Hindi,
the frames,
it complements
but
your... It complements
parang
your
nag-light,
skin.
nag-ano siya sa hair ko eh.
Oo, also the hair.
Kasi
Bagay siya
bagong
sa hair.
kulay yung hair ko.
I have something
Ayan,
like this.
bagay sa hair mo and skin color. All caps, sabi ni RB. Okay, deal na deal, all caps. Yes! You know, next time, I'm always gonna go live now when I'm choosing. Or actually, this August, Vision Express is gonna have like an AI machine thing na where it tells you immediately kung anong bagay sa'yo. And I need that because I'm so indecisive. And it takes me so long to choose which one. So, okay, one last. Just to make sure, okay? These are the brown ones. Brown. Mega, because it's
Mega
so
wafer.
chunky. Brown. Okay, brown. And next,
Regular, but still
black.
nice.
Ah, black ba to?
No, it's not.
Pala.
It's
Regular.
may print.
What
Ito yung
model
black.
is that I'm gonna buy too? This one. So, this is called the Mega Wafer. Fairer? I don't know. How do you say it ba?
Wayfarers.
Wayfarers. Wayfarer. Just call it wafers. Get both na lang. Wow. Where's the money, huh? But both, I know. Should I get both? I don't know. Brown. This one? Mas bagay yung brown. Okay. Okay, guys. Noted. Thank you.
I have that but in green.
Si Kuya Jasper naman, regular black and the brown. O, di pareho lang din. Kunyari yung budget natin, pang isa lang. Mamili tayo nung isa lang. Black. Olivia Rodrigo has this and she wears this black one. Or, mine muna brown. Yes. Or brown. Both, please. Hala, nagmakaawa na siya. Both, please. Mas bagay the brown. Okay, sold. Ito na yan. I found the one. KKK. Kunin mo both. Wow. Pag-iisipan ko yan. Paji, magkasama ba kayo ni Kuya Jasper? Okay. Ay, hello po. Hello. Brown. Okay. All caps na rin si Kuya Jasper. Get the brown. Okay. Sold. I found the one. To think, did I even try this on a while ago?
Yeah.
I did, but
Very good.
I didn't. Hindi siya tumatak sa akin. Okay. Sold. Yay.
Thank you.
For the meantime, I'm gonna wear this. Just for the vibes. Pag hindi ako nakatulog, mamayang gabi, babalikan ko to. Kai Bio. Do you know what that is? Someone keeps commenting about Kai Bio-based Ray-Ban. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for helping me decide. Baka abutan ako ng kinabukasan kung hindi niyo ako tinulungan. Alexa, pupunta ka ba sa concert ng PBB Collab? Yes, ako po ang host doon. Opo, kita-kita po tayo doon. Where are you po? I'm in a Vision Express store. I feel so cool. Yeah. Thank you guys so much. This is crazy. Bagong ligo ako, kaya ang dami-dami kong baby hair. We shall tame them. Bakit walang Kai Bio Base? Hindi ko rin po alam. We shall tame them. I think I've chosen. That's the one.
Any others?
Maybe not.
You're okay with this?
Yeah.
Ito lang sa'yo.
I'm still thinking about this one. I'm trying to remember kasi if I already have at home eh.
These ones na
No, I'm good na. But you think that's okay, the one I chose? Okay.
Because after you wore this, that's when you told me that based on your color analysis, gold.
Gold, lighter colored frames.
I think it's really nice. I can try to find yung actual collection.
Okay.
If ever anyone asks.
Yeah,
Yeah, mega wafer.
mega, because it's so chunky. Okay, thank you guys so much for helping me choose. As in, super duper thank you talaga. Nag-iisipan ko ba tong black na to? Kasi parang gusto ko din siya. Say hello.
Hello. Guys?
Yes, Daisy said. Daisy said, where is KD?
I'm here.
He is here. May bigote ka rin naman.
Acne kasi. Ang hitap eh. Tanggal ko na to. I'm gonna remove it.
Can I see KD? There you go.
Hello. Ito, I have this.
The Mega?
Mm.
It's exactly the same?
No, color green. I have a
Green?
color green. Yeah, it's a dark green. It looks like black, but when you look close, it's
Wag na yung black. Okay.
Tapos, it's reflective. So,
Sinusuot
you
ko
can
lang for the vibes. But thank you guys so much for helping me choose. I got the brown na. The light brown Mega. I'm gonna wear it today para kunyari artista ako.
see. Oy, Paji.
Paji! Okay, di tanggalin mo bigote mo.
Ngayon, ikaw na.
Only I can say that. Ako lang ang pwede mang-utos dito. Charot.
Naku po.
Okay guys, goodbye. Thank you so
Are you hungry?
much.
Ay.
No.
Okay, sige.
I need to lose weight.
No.
Bye.
Perfect. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for helping me again.
Thanks, guys.